Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a big question. What is the easiest business to run? Whether you're a small business owner, overwhelmed by the daily grind, or somebody looking to start something new that doesn't require the constant hustle, I've got the answer for you. And trust me, this business model can bring in consistent income while giving you more time freedom. Hi, I'm Natasha. After running a traditional construction business for 7 years, I know how exhausting it can be to manage a brick and mortar business. Between long hours, managing employees, constant phone calls, unpredictable revenue, it feels like there's just never a break. But then I found something completely different, and today I'm excited to share it with you. So the easiest business to run right now is an online business that leverages digital products and automation. So why is an online business focused on digital products the easiest to run? First of all, you don't need to worry about physical inventory, shipping, or even a physical location. Instead, you can create a product like an ebook, an online course, or a membership just once, and you can sell it over and over and over again without the stress of restocking or managing a storefront. Plus, with digital products, your customers can access them instantly, which means there is no delay in delivering value to them. So the key to making an online business truly easy to run is automation, and that's what I've learned from the Legacy Builder program. By setting up automated systems like sales funnels, email marketing, and customer follow-ups, you can let the business work for you even while you're sleeping or spending time with your family. These automated processes handle all of the heavy lifting, the selling, the nurturing leads, and customer engagement without you needing to be involved 24/7. You get to focus on the big picture and let the systems do the rest. Another reason an online business with digital products is the easiest to run: reoccurring income. Imagine having customers who pay you every month for ongoing value, whether it's a membership site or a subscription service or digital content updates. With recurring income, you're not constantly chasing new sales to keep the business afloat. Your revenue is steady, and you can actually plan your finances without stress. This is something I wish I knew sooner when I first started my construction business. Now I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but where do I start? That's where the Legacy Builder program comes in. This program gives you a step-by-step blueprint on how to build an online business from scratch, create digital products that people want, and automate your entire sales process. Or resell the program for 100% profit. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of experience to make this work. Everything is broken down into manageable steps so you can set it up with ease. So if you're ready to ditch the constant grind and start building a business that practically runs itself, comment easy down below and I'll share how you can get started right away. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building a stress-free business. See you in the next video.